Today, CCTV camera is one of the important factor in our life, and each and every offices, factory, warehouses uses the CCTV camera. However, we have seen you cannot see the 24 by 7 cameras because it is not at all possible from the time constraint perspective. But you need to get more information about your CCTV cameras, which will improve your business operations. So this is one of the unique solution developed, which is a cloud hosted solution by IIM team. If you just log in, you will realize how it works. Okay. So this is what you get, a panel where I'll be able to just search my cameras, select a specific camera. I'll just go and look at the factory environment. And here you will see the beauty of this. So we capture the photographs every 15 minutes from your cameras. Whole of your factory is visible in front of you with different photographs and images. Now these photographs you can click and view a time-lapse type of image. A timeline provided here helps you out to select a specific time to see what happened in your factory and track appropriate actions also. So I can just browse through these images and I am able to see how my operations are happening in my factory. I'll select another panel. This is a warehousing solution that is installed at one of the warehouse. Again, I can see multiple images together. And here the beauty is analytics. So I can see here P4, which means there are 4 people. So these all visible people are shown here. I can just go through next, and view how my warehouse operations is going on. So through analytics, you will be able to know what is the activity which is happening, and in that activity, if any person is visible, like in this case at this corner a person is visible, is also shown directly. Vehicles are visible is also shown. You got another view, and that view will definitely help you out to find out across the days at a specific time what all things happened at that specific camera. So if I just say around 10 o'clock, and I can see whether for a camera number 1, door is not at all opened at 10 o'clock. However, at the camera number 2, I can see on 3rd of the June, door was open. However, 4th June, door is not open. 5th June, again it is open. So I can compare my photographs, which will help me to take appropriate action. So if you can see this particular camera, a truck is visible for all the 4 days at the same location. Along with this, we send out a time-lapse videos on your email on a daily basis. So you can see a mail with a time-lapsing image. So you get a video link and you come to know what happened yesterday on that particular camera. Now truck is visible. Now loading, unloading of the material is happening. Same way in case of factory type of environment, you can see how the manufacturing activity is going on. So this is night time. So night time again people are doing manufacturing activity. Maybe at early morning 7, 8. Now it is say around 9 o'clock. Still I do not see anybody has come in. And this is where now I can start looking at the people. So that means activity, manufacturing activity at what time it started is visible to you. So whole camera is visible to you in just 1 minute. So one full day in 1 minute.